Today on the Sugary Sweet, we're making buttercream frosting, but not just any buttercream frosting. I'm going to show you guys how to make the super easy and tasty chocolate buttercream frosting. And once you make this recipe, this will be your go-to recipe for all your chocolate recipes. Please subscribe to the Sugary Sweet with notifications so you'll be notified of my new uploads. I have an upload schedule coming soon. If you have any questions or requests, please leave that in the comments section and I'll be happy to interact with you. To make our chocolate buttercream frosting, I have my butter here that's at room temperature in the mixer, and I already put it in the bottom and turned it on to kind of break the butter apart. And I have my powdered sugar that I've sifted, and I put it onto wax paper, parchment paper here actually, this is parchment, to make it easier to put it into the machine. And I'm going to just pour in half of that powdered sugar. Once I pour in half of the powdered sugar, I'm going to just mix it a little bit. And once the sugar begins to dissolve with the butter, I'm going to just turn it on high. I'll turn it down a little bit, and I'm going to add some heavy cream. You can turn back on high, allow this to cream together for about 30 seconds. So now I have some cocoa powder that I'm going to add to this. If you want to sift it with the powdered sugar, you can. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to put this back down, splash guard on. I'm going to allow that to mix together for a minute. We're going to continue adding the powdered sugar a little bit at a time until it's all dissolved. Adding a little bit at a time will prevent it from having clumps. And I'm going to add my vanilla flavoring. This is pure vanilla extract. And I'm going to add a little bit more heavy cream. I'm going to stop the machine and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to turn the machine on high. I'm going to let this whip for 3 minutes. So here's the frosting. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you that it pipes beautifully. If you need it to be more stiff, of course, add more powdered sugar, or you can put it in the fridge for a few minutes. So I'm using Wilton tip number 2D. I already got my bag situated with the tip. I'm just gonna put some of that frosting top, squeeze down, and simply just squeeze to make sure all the air is out. And I have my cupcakes. For the cupcake recipe, check out the German chocolate cake recipe, and this is the chocolate cake base. Oh, my bag got a hole in the butt. You can see it pipes beautifully. So you have how to make chocolate buttercream frosting. Please add this video to your playlist, share, and subscribe to The Sugary Sweet, where we're making the world a little bit sweeter.